So this is, I've started with sew again, haven't I? There you go. This is the second video as I've pushed the wrong button. So I'm going to fit this in here. Get it in there nicely. I'm going to put a bit of grease on it so that it goes in nicely. Just get that to sit in nicely. There we go. So that's in there. I'm going to put a little bit of grease in there so it slides down nicely. All feels a bit medical actually. Be gentle with me, doctor. In fact, I'm going to take that and I'm going to put some in here already, just behind the seal there. Right, always put your nozzle back on. Oh, it's gone in there a bit better now. Sorry about this, bit close. Thank you, nurse. Right, so there we go, ready to go. So here we go, sliding it down. In fact, what I'm going to do is put a bit of grease on here already. Oh, sorry. There we go. Now I'm going to slide this back. Oh, what's that bit of burrs? There we go, get that onto here. So, a little bit of grease. Cool, not a lot of room to work here, is it? Bit of grease on there. Probably somewhere in the instructions they tell you not to do that. Right, I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so I'm just going to put you on hold, caller. Right, so there we are. Just going to push it back on as far as the other one was until it won't go anymore. Oh, that's a nice fit. Right. Then the clamp needs to go round, which is this lovely one here. That's a beauty, that is. So clamp on. Don't bring me problems, bring me answers. And I should have put this on before I slid it on. So I'm just going to stall the video and then we'll reset that. Thank you, nurse. And as if by magic, it's appeared. So I'm just going to tighten that up. So I don't really need to show you how to tighten up a nut. I'm sure there's loads of videos on YouTube on how to tighten up a nut. Right, so there we are. I did it again. So I need to take out this little fella. Again, I'm going to need 2 hands for that. I'm just going to get a little screwdriver behind there. Just push that out. Oh, there it goes. Lovely. There we are. Now, hunt around for the stuff you had. Now I'm going to put this in here, but again I need two hands. I haven't got a hand. This is on a phone, so I haven't got a hands free. Ha! I'm just going to poke some grease in there. So what I've done was I whacked the end of the tube there with just a slight tap with a hammer, just to flatten it out a little bit, and then push it in, and then just squeeze the grease in all around. Now you have to remember, when you put this boat in the water, well, not this boat but your boat, if you do one of these, you have to remember to burp it, and that's just a case of just pressing the sides and letting a bit, and then water will come out. It'll go, and then you're set, and it should be non-drip. So there we are, stuffing box stuffed and replaced. Hopefully not too many sows or hi guys, and that's it. I'll let you know in about 3 weeks. Hopefully the boat will be back in the water then. You've obviously noticed that it's very easy to work down here because there is no engine. That's out. Possibly may have to remove the diesel tank as well, because as you can see, I thought this was condensation. That was just because there was fuel in there and this was condensation, but you can see it's climbing up. So I think that it is leaking. It's porous, which is a bit annoying really, because I've got no idea how to get it out. That's for another day. Anyway, hope this has been of use. All the best. Good stuffing.